Today's a fun day here in Hawaii. My nose is a little red, and we are now going to the Dole Plantation first. It's almost 10 a.m. and then we are gonna go to the Waimea Falls after that, and then a few other beaches up in North Shore. So it should be a pretty busy day. So we got the Dole Whip with topping. It's actually pretty busy here. It's definitely a tourist attraction. But yeah, let's try it out. It's huge. That fell. Pineapple. So we just finished up the Dole Plantation, and now we are going to the Waimea Falls. It's taking a little longer than expected because apparently there was construction going on outside of the Dole Plantation going up north, but we made it through. And yeah, so we're going to the falls right now. So we just got here. We just parked at the Waimea Valley Trail parking lot. Actually pretty busier than I thought it would be. It said it was going to be an easy hike, so I hope it's an easy hike. 1.9 miles. So let's go. It's $20 to get in, but with this college ID, it is $16. And so far, it looks beautiful. Look at that. So let's go on this 1.89 mile hike and let's go swimming. I hope we can swim in it though. We just finished up with the Waimea Falls. It was a lot busier than expected, but that's okay. The water was really refreshing. A little cold actually, colder than the beaches, but I think it was like worth it. You get to see like a lot of like plants and stuff when you're walking. And now we are gonna go to Turtle Bay. Hopefully we see some turtles, but that's where we're going next. It's only 1:30, so it should be about 15 minutes away. But yeah. So we just got to Turtle Bay Beach. There was actually parking, so that was pretty good, but it's kind of busy because it's kind of like a resort here. But yeah, it's actually hotter here than when it was at the Waimea Falls. So we just finished up at Turtle Bay Beach, I believe that's called again. And then now we are at Sunset Beach looking at these massive waves. Apparently like on this region in North Shore, there's a lot of like surfing here. Look at these waves. So we just got here for the sunset, which is probably around 6:30. This is called Haleiwa, H-A-L-E-W-E-I, I think. This is the name of the road, but I think this is the beach park right here. This is where we are now. So we got back from watching the sunset at that place, got ready real quick, like 20-30 minutes getting ready, and now we're gonna get dinner. We're gonna go to Tane Vegan. Apparently it's a vegan sushi place, and hopefully it's really good. I'm excited to eat. It's about 10 minutes away. Reservation's at 8:30 and it's probably around 8:20 now, but we're going to the car. But see you guys there. So it's the next day. We are on our way to Maunawili Falls Trail. I think it's 6.3 miles, could be a little longer, but it's about a 2-3 hour hike. And hopefully we can do some swimming there, and hopefully it's shallow for me to swim. But that's gonna be my day, and then we're gonna go to the Botanical Gardens and the Boyden Temple as well today. We just finished up the falls about 20 minutes ago. We got a little lost, but we made it. I think we hiked about like 6 miles, 8 miles or something. I'm tired. My legs are scraped up, but that's okay. And now we are at the Boyden Temple, I think that was called. So it should be interesting. It looks really pretty though. finished at the Boyden Temple and now we are at Cafe Dukba, right there. Apparently it's Korean food, but you don't cook it yourself. And they have a watermelon soju. So let's go eat. Today's the next day. Today's Sunday. Yesterday's food was pretty good. And now on our way to the ABC store to grab some gifts for people. And then we're gonna go to Botanical Gardens today. Because we were gonna go yesterday, but it was like we went a little extra mile, 2-mile hike because we misread the sign. Well, actually I did. Oh yeah, let's go. But now we are going to get some oysters. So got up at what, 6 o'clock, and we are at the morning comp cruise. It's about 4 minutes out from Waikiki, but this was in the Aloha tours. It's fun. Apparently it's 4 hours and food is included, and we can see turtles, dolphins, and whales. I think, I hope so, but we'll see. So just got finished with the tour. It wasn't bad. It's just that we didn't see any dolphins or whales. But we did see sea turtles though. That was fun. It's a little wavy and bumpy. Well, if you get seasick, I'd rather not recommend this tour. But it's not bad though. Oh yeah, look at my hands from yesterday. I fell. Look at this side. Wow, look at that. Also look at this also mark I got from hiking. My souvenir scars are from Hawaii. Today is a new day. The other days I just relaxed and I went to Dave & Buster's. That was it. So today I think we're gonna go to the food truck. So that should be exciting. I think the food truck's off the North Shore, but I heard there's so many good things about it. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm excited for it. My hand is getting better. Still hurts though, and my scars on my legs are getting better. I feel like every day I get a new scar or something happens. So I just had that burger and fries and pineapple. It was actually really good. And I liked it a lot. It had like some like sauce on it, which I don't know what kind of sauce it was. And then the fries were pretty good. Not the best fries I've had though. My pineapple was pretty good. It had like that red thingy on top, which I don't know what it is. So we just got like on the North Shore. So after getting our drinks and food, we went to Pūpūkea. I think that was called beach. It's a little rocky, but there's a lot of mini fish here. Look. So there were some pretty cool fish there, and I saw some sea urchins, which is really cool. And now we're gonna drive by the East Coast from North Shore, and then we're gonna go see the blowhole again. Oh, did you see that? Today's the next day. Yesterday, the udon place was really good. Donut place was really good. I recommend both of them. The line at the udon place is usually really long, but it's worth it because it actually goes by really quick. So now we are going to Hanauma Bay. I heard there's neon fish there, and it's raining. So I hope it's not raining over there because I'll be bummed out. I don't want to be in the ocean when it rains. Okay, let's go. we just went snorkeling. It was really fun. I guess it rained a little bit, but that's fine. And now we are going to Kona Brewing, which is like down the street. But here we are.